Welcome to Ziawa Mzansi. Thank you very much for tuning in and for supporting and everything that you do for the channel. You remember some time ago I posted about these two girls that they were allegedly murdered and baba violator ngendlela baviolatewa ngayo ne. Apparently there's a video that was doing the rounds on X, on X. Abamubhonyanga kanje lo mfana, abambhonyanga kanje. You see these girls, abantwana besikolo bebayenza grade 11 batholwe labafana kwayenzeka lento eyenzekile, but now induku yakhala. Just listen to what he's going to be saying here, because uyaconfessa ukuthi kwenzekeni, kwenzeke kanjani, and yonke lento yenzeka behind bars. Just listen.
No Sino umuntu ka inamandla yena phana ngusino okayiswaphiwe nguyibanathi sadibana sonke ke siyam sathenga utywala kakulathi no ayibanathi
yaphanga ke ehlosi bathina endlini
yibona ehlosi straight saye behlosi endlini sasagqiba tasa waphuma phandle bayothenga utywala no Lihle usiwaphiwe ebhinechera ke roomini. After we finish our room, I feel good as our go for looking a beer. One can have a room. Incan. So well, that's how I feel a line and was and Ibanati.
What's in
Lano Ibanati.
Kauleza man.
Ibanati, or Puma after the Belino, that's our rooming. Or Puma, I pay for Ibanat to tell like a good swap you about region Tassau. Watch out, that's how goes or rejoy. I take us to repay ye to aid. Not must rape me put. Ends a hollow way me put. After ends a get a go me put, that's sour, no landos and no do it. But they can go be from me put. The have a number of happy go be. One must be purchased to make a face that cinema bullet la clash. Make collapse in la class. I must make a people that me put. If I do a few good water go later, or Sauta, Benato, but Sabak Linda me put. Estaba tariba na watu hasa ngosini after lona ke ukwazo luzalete umachista ni phaki plastic ubeka phezu kwabo abalayita mefu
ngokuba umuntu nethetha naye apetrol umithumeze izenza ngaphandle
akekho mebuzo
amagama ethu avela phi kwezinto izenza ngaphandle
akakuzo kama lo ngoda le petrol ngekupha
ubikakando lenizi phakabantu
awusawata uye warepa lecture lemjiyade balemnana bangabazo ubamba ke udala
wena kathini ungayoxela kanye reporter wena uthi bekhona ukhuqungule ngandala yabo izigakani zenza iziphuma nathi ngathi nesimthume izigakazi ezinto
kodwa